guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a new in beauty, and that's not like stuff that's brand new that is like recently just come on the market. It's stuff that I've never tried and I want to review. So I'm going to be doing this, obviously I'm only showing you them. I'm going to give you my first thoughts, and also when I've used them a bit more I can obviously do a blog post and a video and share. If they really impress me, I will. So, some of these are swapped because I've been on a beauty group, and I always sound out of breath when I film. I've been on a beauty group and I'll be doing a swap Sunday, so whatever in my stash, I've been swapping with the girls because I just try things and they're not suitable for me, and some things I've never even tried. So, yeah, let's dive in. Okay, so I've got makeup and skincare, so a bit of a mixture of everything. I have a very naughty cat down there scratching my carpet. So yeah, so this is the first item. I swapped this with a girl, it was brand new, and I've had this for about a week now, and it's the Photo Finish Primer Water from Smashbox. Now I heard loads about this. Now this is a 30 ml, and this is obviously a deluxe sample, like mini, travel size, but it's perfect for me to try. And oh my gosh, where has this been? So, I've heard so much about this, and I know Primark drew a dupe to it, but I literally spray this on before my makeup, and then my makeup goes on flawlessly, my foundation does, but then I spray it on as well if I want to be less powdery. I also set my makeup with this. It is really good, and a little does go a long way. It's got a nice spritz on it, it's not too powerful. It's really, really well made. Like, I think that's metal. But yeah, it's not too powerful, and it's great. And I actually might say this potentially is my favourite of the month. That's controversial. So yeah, I really like that. Obviously I'll put the price on the screen. And what should we do next? Let's do makeup. Because again, I've done a few swaps with some girls because I just like have a bits that I've been trying to sell, or none of this is PR or gifted, by the way, just to let you know. Stuff that I want to sell, or stuff that's just sitting there and I don't want to just sit there and not be used, so I've been doing swaps for things I'm actually going to use. So I got this, I'm not going to lie, I've only had this 2 days now, 3 days, but I've used it twice. It is the Annabelle Minerals Blush, and it's a lot like Bare Minerals. It's cruelty free, and it's in the shade Rose, and it is from Poland, I think. When I was researching it, I found it, I think it was in Polish or from Denmark, I think. I'm not 100%, but yeah. This has a little sieve in it, so you can like, yeah. It's got UV filter in it as well, that's pretty cool. And it's cruelty free. So yeah, it's got a sieve in it, a bit like the Bare Minerals. Now this is a lovely colour. So I'll just put on some on the back of my hand. It looks like a dusky pink. I thought, I've got it on now, wow, this is going to be far too light for me. So there's two ways you can use this. You can pat it in, and it's like a beautiful dusky romantic pink. I don't know if you can see that. Or if you really blend it, which will probably go now, it goes like, I don't know if you can see that on my finger or not. It's more of a reddy pink, which is great, but you do not need a lot of it. Like today I put a bit too much on, and got a little bit overboard with blush, but I really like it, and it's, I would say, just as good as Bare Minerals. I'll put the price on the screen, but I think it's cheaper, so I really like that. So thank you for the girl that swapped with me for that. I'm not going to mention any names because they may not want to be in my YouTube video. Let's go on to skincare now, and then we can go back to a few makeup bits. So I recently, let's go with this. So I bought this from a fellow blogger, and I will insert her name if she does want me to, but I'll have to ask her. And it is the Urban Vida Natural Skincare Sandalwood and Botanics Soothing Exfoliating Face Polish. This is cruelty free, it's vegan, it's 125 ml, no parabens, no GM ingredients, no SLS, and it is British, and yeah, it's good for softening the skin, clarifying sensitive skin. So that's what that looks like. I have used this twice now in a week, okay, and I only scrub once a week, and it says, I'm going to try and say this, Ayurveda is the ingredient, is an ancient Indian health and well-being holistic. Okay, so that's not important, hang on. Ayurveda sandalwood plus 13 botanics help to balance and calm damaged skin and clarify the senses. It's got aloe vera in it, ylang-ylang, geranium, palmarosa, sage, aloe vera. It's really, really nice. So this is not a scratchy. It has where is it? Volcanic pumice, so it's the bit that makes it gritty, and it's not scratchy. It's not. I had a lot of dry skin around my nose, on my cheeks, just because it's been so like cold outside recently, and rainy and windy. So yeah, it's not too scratchy, but when I used it, not only does it smell incredible, it smells like a spa. It's so like the essential oils in it are really good. So yeah, it's really good. It made my skin feel soft, it didn't feel irritated or nothing. I will report back on because I know that I actually quite like it. So yeah. Sorry. Right, my cat's playing with his little toy. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this serum because I have been using this for 8 days, like it says on the box, and I picked it up in the clearance section at Boots. It's not being discontinued as far as I'm aware. My Boots just do it if they got a bit too much stock or they're changing the packaging or whatever. But yeah, I have recently got this. I've been using this for 8 or 9 days now, twice a day, and it's the Vichy Idealia Serum. But firstly, how beautiful is this pink? Like, it's so nice on my dressing table, I can't even describe. So yeah, it's so beautiful. And it's all for all skin types. It's radiance boosting, and I did not find a lot of like reviews online about this. I found it really difficult to because I like to look on YouTube to make sure I'm using it right. But my review on this, and I am going to say, as it is my favourite of the month, along with the Smash Box Priming Water, is okay. So what this has claims, which I will put on the screen. But what I have found it has done, it has evened my skin tone out, it has calmed down my blemishes, it has not necessarily given me radiance, but, sorry my cat's meowing, not necessarily given me radiance, but my overall skin texture is better. So in 8 days, they are right, you are going to see a difference. I just hope that, as I said, I really like Vichy products. I've got the eye cream, I've had the serum before. This is a different one, and I know they are like really expensive, but it generally is working. So what can you not complain about that? And I think I picked it up in the sale for £2. And I am going to go back to see if they've got any more, but I don't think they will, because it was the only one there. So, what should we talk about next? This, I think. So again, this is an item that I swapped with a young girl. She was actually Irish, which was really nice, and I swapped it for something that I'm not going to use. So yeah, it is the Reveal 3D, and it's fallen all over me. The fallout on this is a bugger, and sorry, I just won't travel with this, so yeah. It's the Reveal 3D palette 20 eyeshadow by Coastal Scents. I like how slim it is. It arrived safe, which is good. And these are the colours. It's got no mirror in it, sadly, which is a bit depressing, but you know, whatever, hey ho. Look at these colours. These colours are not something I would use, that I thought I wouldn't use, but I thought I'd get it because I am trying to try and use more pinks and purples, and I just like it. It's got browns, pinks, golds, base colour, which is the one that keeps leaking everywhere, blacks. It's just really, really nice. I might stick a mirror in there myself, I'm not sure yet, who knows, but I'll just swatch a few for you now. Again, I don't know how much this is, but I will Google it and put it on the screen. Okay, which one shall we swatch? Okay. Yeah, they're very dusty shadows. Most definitely they are dusty, but they are beautiful in their own way. So I'll just do another one. Some of the shimmers don't have an amazing payoff. I've got it on my eyes today, and I will insert a picture. And I've put some browns and golds and purples, etc. So I'm just going to swatch some more, just to show you, because they do look quite scarily intense, but they're actually not, which is good because I'm a bit, oh, that'll do. Okay, so I've just swatched 3 there for you. They are quite dusty, but they are really, really good, and they do blend really easily. So I'll just show you. That blends out so gorgeously. I can't even tell you. Let me just get tissue. Okay. I haven't done a wear test on these, as I said. It's the first day I've put it on. So I may report back if it really, really, really excites me or not. But I don't have anything in my, like this, in my arsenal of makeup. It's got purples and random stuff, so I will use it. And the last 3 bits that I want to talk about are, these last 3 bits are, I have been saying for about a year plus that I want to try some bits from The Ordinary. So that's what I did. Again, I bought this off a blogger that sold me the Urban Vida. They didn't work for her skin, so yeah, I just thought I'd give them a go. I am going to do a dedicated video and blog post on this because I do find The Ordinary very complicated to know what to pick. So for example, on there they have skin routines on there on the website, but I'm dehydrated, but I'm also blemish prone, so it's really difficult to find what works for your skin. Also, I have very sensitive skin, so I may not include these at all, who knows. So I'll just go through what they are. I like The Ordinary because they are, I'm feeling a bit weird today, can you tell? They are skincare with the ingredients, no crap, no fancy packaging, which if they did put this in the fancy packaging, they could sell it for £45–50 because the ingredients are that good. So the ones that I picked up, I did a bit of research in. I got the niacinamide 10% plus zinc, and this, from what I can gather, is you can use this in the morning and the evening before your cream. It is, I'm going to do a more in-depth video. It is a clear serum, and it absorbs into the skin really well. I've not used this on my face yet. I did a patch test on the inside of my arm, as The Ordinary website states to do, in case I have a massive reaction to it. I don't want to risk that having a bright red face for a week. So yeah, this, as far as I'm aware, the niacinamide and the zinc. The zinc is really good for brightness, and the niacinamide is really good for cell renewal, but I will put that on the screen if I'm wrong. And I'm going to use that every morning, but you do have to use an SPF because these ingredients can be a bit harsh. The next one I got is Gran Active Retinol 2%, and you definitely have to use an SPF with this. It's a 2% emulsion, so they have to put it in emulsion so it doesn't burn your skin. So it is, use this after a water-based serum. It's like a yellow medicine-y look to it. It is retinol, so I do again want to start anti-aging as well. So I'm in like 3 bits of their routine, which is a bit weird. But this is retinol, and retinol is really good for cell renewal, anti-aging, plumping the skin, etc. I will leave Nadine Baddock's video down below on retinols because she just explains it really well. So I'm going to use this just in the evening. I think you can use it at night time. What does it say? Yeah, it does say do not use with any other retinol, avoid solar exposure. So you can't use this in the morning, but you do have to use SPF the next day. So yeah, they're very complicated, but once you get your head around it, it's not too bad. I will do like use them for a month and then do like a dedicated blog post on it. And I also got their Ordinary Natural Moisturising Factors plus HA, which is a surface hydration formula, and it's just a moisturiser. It's nothing fancy. This is the bigger size, the 100 ml. They do a 30 ml of this. It's nothing fancy, it's just a basic cream. From what I remember, I don't think it has any scent. It has a little scent. It's just like a natural pH balanced lotion that can just sort of hydrate but not add any more ingredients to what you've put on your skin. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it. Hopefully my skin gets on with them. If not, this is fine. I put this on my face and it's fine. So yeah, as you can see, I've got some exciting bits. I may not do a blog post or a video on all of these. I just wanted to show you what I've recently had in, and what I really am enjoying at the moment, and what I'm going to be adding into my routine. So I'm going to be adding these into my routine. So I hope you liked this video. It's a little bit different, and I will speak to you soon. Bye!